What's up, Risque? Today cooking with Daniel. Alright. See that? Cooking some eggs and some bacon. Alright, guys. Eggs and some bacon. I can't believe I learned before Morgan. Y'all see that? No,
On your birthday cookie.
it's not burning. It's on high. Oh, there. I cut it off. I put it on off. No, I don't know how to. It's still heating. It's the heat. I'm feeling the temperature. I turned the fan back off. It's not burning. Is it? You remember you said the stove is old? And when you cook, I smell it too. It's cooking perfect. See, look, come here, y'all. It's literally cooking perfect. Ain't it cooking perfect, Morgan? Yes. Morgan, it is cooking. You can't be laughing. You don't even know how to cook yet.
I am gonna try one day. I don't know when. I'm just gonna have to figure out when I'm gonna try it. Because that thing will be coming on.
It's not done yet. Look, mommy. It's not done yet. No, look.
Show me, Mom.
Because I can still see the yellow.
What's that water out on the floor, on the table? What?
It was right there when I came here. I did.
Your ass put the water for your ass had the water with the milk. That was your ass.
What with me?
Come on. What the hell? I understand what you're doing. No, damn, God, you know big ass spoon, honey. That's one job you fucked up. And this shit right here, I'm goddamn, you don't let it stick to the damn thing neither. The fuck you doing, dude? Make sure. You had to stick shit. Oh my God, I got shit stuck.
Now we're gonna have to scrub.
Yes.
Get out of my way. I can't. This is my first time cooking.
Who was what out?
I had it in soap.
Oh my God.
So they gonna take that soapy water.
Oh, I gotta
And
redo it.
soapy eggs.
I gotta redo it then.
No, it's just a little burnt, babe.
It's burnt.
It's a little
So you
bit.
have some burnt soapy
Here you go.
eggs.
Oh no, the pot ain't wet.
Babe, it was just, I just used it. That's how I know. I watched it.
I'm about to cook some.
No, you
Bacon.
didn't eat that. Just put some bacon in that motherfucker on microwave.
What? You said I gotta learn.
But you know how you let the egg stay in the pot too long, then it get stuck. Then you had to go around it.
You let it stick. Some of it's from mine. From mine.
Yeah.
said I was gonna let it sit until I'm ready to clean it.
Just clean it and put the egg in there. Jesus.
Got about to cook some bacon nets.
Nah, you better put that motherfucker in that motherfucking
I
thing.
did. Dude, that's sweet.
That motherfucking
I didn't make this already.
in the motherfucking microwave.
I want to learn.
No,
Why?
today's not the day to be learning.
Okay.
You already fucked up the shit anyway.
No, I did it. I did not mess up nothing.
Earned a little bit egg. I said, oh damn man.
I know how long. I know when to
Who you talking to on the phone?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. But
Mommy, I know when the bacon's done.
You ain't talking to nobody.
the April
What the fuck?
Mommy,
April Fool.
Okay.
I know when the bacon is done.
I want to get the people. I want to do that. I want to
Mommy, I know when you're talking to them.
I'm going to be like my friend. They going to be like, oh.
By the way, I don't want you in there other things.
But I want to learn how to
You
cook.
heard what I said, Dang.
But I want to learn how to cook.
You heard.
But I want to learn how to
But
cook.
not today, you won't learn today.
I never get to learn.
No, you'll learn, but not today.
Not tonight. Or today.
I'm ready to shit.
I don't cook no good shit in the microwave. No bacon. Leave me alone.
Sorry, Dad. I didn't think I was going to.
Woo! Woo!
That was your butt toe.
Woo!
I'm sorry.
What the hell? You ain't watching what you doing. It's
Yeah,
not
I'm sorry.
funny.
I want some strawberry. Some other man.
I want me some. You know what I want? Huh? Spaghetti.
Okay, guys. I can't cook on the stove.
I'm about to call my dad.
Molly, can I please learn?
What I say? I'm spaghetti.
Mommy.
No.
Why?
What the fuck? That's what the fuck I said. No.
Okay.
Daddy.
Guys, I have to cook in the microwave.
I'm shouldn't do.
Miss you.
You say you call me dad. That's a word. You call me dad.
Yeah, I'm calling my daddy.
Alright, guys. My first cooking was a fail.
Not playing, they don't.